Hello, this is Tim here and we are with Learn Penang Hokkien Step by Step. In this lesson, we learn to use the word wah, W-A-H with 4. Before I go any further, I just want to give you a reminder that for every word that you learn in Penang Hokkien, please learn it as it is and don't try to spell it on your own. Because if you spell on your own way, nobody will be able to find what you are writing. With Taiji romanization, you can always look up the words in the dictionary, which you can find over here, which I'm going to put here, the link. Okay, so whenever you have a word to look up, go to the dictionary and you will find it. And the word that you look up will be in the citation tone. The citation tone means that the tone as it appears in the dictionary before it changes its tone. Now, going back to the word wah, that is in the citation tone. Some of you may also pronounce it as gua. It's the same whether you say wah or gua. Both of them mean I or me or my or mine. So whether it's wah or gua, you can use it to mean I, me, my, and so on. So that's the first word that we are going to learn today. This word wah sandhis to wah in regular sentences if it appears as the subject. And this is what I mean. If you put wah in front, such as wah4, I called you. I called you. In this sentence, wah has become wah. So, wah4. Another sentence. wah4. wah來. So, in these are all considered as regular sentences. In regular sentences, the word wah changed to wah. However, there is another type of sentence called the emphatic sentence. In the emphatic sentence, you emphasize on the person who is talking. So, in emphatic sentence, wah is retained. That means, originally it's wah, it became wah in regular sentence, and it changed back to wah in emphatic sentences like this. wah9 wah10 wah來 lu bo來. I come, you don't come. When you use wah as the object, it always stays in its citation form. That means if you put it at the end of sentence, it will be in the citation form. For example, lu kiu wah. So over here, you can see that it's in the citation form. In other constructions, it is either wah or wah depending on the sentence. For example, 好啊吃. So over here, it is also in citation form because there is another word behind it. So what we need to learn about wah is that it has two tones. The original or citation tone is wah, 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 wah with a number 4. It changes to wah if you use it as a subject in the beginning of a sentence or somewhere in the middle of the sentence. If you use it as in an emphatic sentence, it moves back to wah. And you also use the same way if it's the object of the sentence, that is to say, at the end of a sentence. And somewhere in the middle, it will be wah. In the same way, you can use the word gua, which changes to gua in regular sentences, and in emphatic sentence, it will be gua again. Example, 我吃饭. Or an emphatic sentence, 我吃饭. So that ends our lesson on the use of gua. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in below on YouTube. Remember to share and like this video, and I'll see you again in our next video. Bye for now.